Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a Pinterest video pin on the Canva application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Go to the video section next to the presentation button and search the Pinterest video pin next to the LinkedIn video ad. Here you have more chance. If you want to add pictures, videos or audio files to your Pinterest video pin, go to the uploads button, and here you can upload images, videos or audio files to the Canva, or go to the gallery section, and here you can find the images and videos from your device. In the elements section you can search different graphic elements, for example stickers, photos, charts, frames and more. If you go to the design section, you can find the different styles and templates which were created by professional graphic designer. Just select a template and step on it. You can edit this template. If you want to change the background color, just tap to the blue star icon next to the design section, and just select another color and done. If you tap to the video on your canvas, you can edit this video. Go to the edit video button next to the square icon, and in the effects section you can add filters to your video, and in the adjust section you can edit the white balance, the light, colors and texture of your video. If you want to crop or flip your video, just go to the crop or flip button next to the playback option. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.